Hi, I will present our study titled Effect of Repetitive Transcranial Magnetic Stimulation on Language Performance in Alzheimer's Disease, a Slovene speaker case study. Alzheimer's disease is a neurodegenerative disease characterized by progressive cognitive dysfunction. Language abilities in Alzheimer's disease are affected during all stages of the disease, with patients having difficulties in both production and judgment. More specifically, verb and noun naming are equally impaired in both picture naming and verb fluency tasks. Also, patients have been observed to be slower and less accurate compared to controls in lexical decision tasks, where participants are asked to decide whether or not a letter string that is presented to them is a real word of their native language. Repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation is a non-invasive technique which has been used as an effective tool to improve cognitive function in Alzheimer's disease due to its ability to regulate neuronal activity. Previous studies suggest that high-frequency stimulation over the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex can benefit cognitive abilities such as executive functions and language performance. With respect to language, verb and object naming, as well as sentence comprehension, were found to be improved after treatment. In our study, we aim to investigate the beneficial effects of rTMS on language performance in Alzheimer's disease. Previous studies report of verb and object naming improvement, but we also want to examine how can rTMS treatment benefit other grammatical categories, such as more complex verbal forms, for example, words like agent, such as reader. Moreover, the potential improvement of lexical accuracy and reaction times, as well as word production abilities by derivation, are addressed for the first time in the rTMS and Alzheimer's disease literature. As the study is ongoing, we are reporting results from one female participant, Slovene native speaker diagnosed with mild Alzheimer's disease. The participant received high-frequency rTMS over the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex bilaterally for a total of 15 sessions. The primary measurement outcome of the research was patient's language performance as assessed by different linguistic tasks. The baseline evaluation took place 1 week before the treatment, and the post-treatment evaluation took place immediately after the end of the treatment. Materials consist of simple words such as verbs like to read and nouns like chocolate, and the verbal forms such as agent and process nominalizations like reader or reading, respectively, as well as non-words that don't exist in the Slovene language. 3 tasks were designed to evaluate participants' language abilities. In the picture naming task, participant was asked to name the verb, the agent, and the process nominalizations depicted on the picture. In the lexical decision task, the participant had to decide whether or not the presented word was a real word of Slovene. In the offline version of the task, the participant had as much time as needed to decide, while in the online, she was advised to be as fast and accurate as possible. In the derivation by definition task, the participant had to produce the verb, agent, or process nominalizations. Moving to the results, we observed that participants' overall performance on the picture naming task was significantly increased after treatment. With respect to the different naming conditions, while naming accuracy increased in all categories, the ones with the highest improvement that reached significance are the categories of agent and process nominalizations like reader and reading respectively. In these categories, we can also observe that participants achieved the lowest scores at the baseline evaluation. Regarding the derivation task, a slight decrease in accuracy was observed after treatment. Participants' accuracy on the offline lexical decision task after treatment does not differ highly compared to the baseline, but we can observe a trend of improvement. On the other hand, on the online lexical decision task, participants' accuracy was significantly increased at the post-treatment evaluation. Moreover, we observed a significant reduction of the reaction time. Finally, based on the above results, rTMS treatment appears to benefit some aspects of language performance in Alzheimer's disease. Naming accuracy was improved not only for verbs and nouns, but also for other impaired categories like the verbal forms. Also, it improves accuracy in online lexical decision and positively influences lexical decision latency by speeding reaction time. In the derivation task and offline lexical decision task, no significant differences were observed after treatment. The current preliminary results are promising, but further research is still needed in order to establish safe conclusions. Thank you very much for your attention. And here are some references.